This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming access to your Hotmail inbox and password. Open the Hotmail account and verify you can receive and send mail. If two-step verification is enabled, disable it temporarily or generate an app password. Export important messages by using an email client to create a local backup. Check that your contacts are current and save attachments you need to keep. This preparation prevents lost messages during the transfer process to Outlook. Sign in to Outlook. With the account where you want mail delivered. Open Settings and select View All Outlook settings to access mail options. Choose Sync Email and then add a connected account to import from Hotmail. Enter your Hotmail email address and password when prompted to authorize the connection. Select options to import existing email, import contacts, and forward new messages automatically. Wait while Outlook copies messages. This may take several hours, depending on mailbox size. After import completes, change account recovery and log in email to Outlook. Sign into important services and update your contact email to the new Outlook address. Send a short notification to contacts explaining your primary email has changed. Set automatic forwarding from Hotmail for at least 30 days to catch stray messages. Check both inboxes daily during the transition and confirm calendar and contact sync accuracy. Once confident all traffic arrives in Outlook, remove the Hotmail connected account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.